In 1901, a woman was taken to a medical asylum in Frankfurt, Germany. She was delusional and could not remember even the most basic details of her own life. Her doctor, Alois, did not know how to help her and could only watch over her as she passed away within the next 5 years. After she died, an autopsy was performed, revealing many plaques and tangles in her brain. Now here is the even more shocking part. If the woman had instead been alive today, we could offer her no more help than Alois was able to 115 years ago. Alois was Dr. Alois Alzheimer, and his patient was the first to be diagnosed with what we now know as Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive neurodegenerative disorder often associated with memory loss. According to the World Health Organization, over 48 million people have been diagnosed. Today, of the top 10 causes of death worldwide, Alzheimer's disease is the only one for which we are unable to prevent, cure, or even slow down. While the cause of Alzheimer's disease is relatively unknown, some studies have shown a link between Alzheimer's disease and oxidative stress. In the brain cells, the powerhouse, called the mitochondria, provides us with energy through the electron transport chain. When this pathway is dysfunctional, it results in the buildup of reactive oxygen species and the formation of amyloid plaques and neurofibrillary tangles. These tangles often occur in regions of the brain called the hippocampus and the cerebral cortex and induce neuron death. Due to the increasing prevalence of the disease and the rapidly aging human population, a cure is absolutely necessary. In Dr. Pandy's lab, we study the neuroprotective properties of Ubisol Q10 and how it stabilizes the mitochondria and prevents neuronal loss. Similar studies have also shown that methylene blue increases cognitive function in Alzheimer's patients. Our hypothesis is to use a combination of Ubisol Q10 and methylene blue to see if this collation of treatments can prevent premature cellular senescence. This treatment will be tested therapeutically using transgenic mouse models in the hope that one day this research will be used to improve the lives of those with Alzheimer's disease.